Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm showing how to store curry leaves and keep them fresh for over a month. I just harvested some curry leaves from my balcony garden, and what I did was I washed and rinsed it thoroughly, and then I'm removing each sprig like this and placing it on top of a cotton napkin. So this way it's easy for me to take out the curry leaves. Most recipes call for 1 or 2 sprigs of curry leaves. This is more easy for me to take out the curry leaves when I'm recording a cooking video. Curry leaves are a good source of iron, folate, vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B and vitamin E. And since I get garden fresh curry leaves at home, I always try to use them in my recipes. I see a lot of comments from you guys asking me how to keep them fresh in the refrigerator. So this is my way of keeping them fresh in the refrigerator for up to a month. Sometimes it will stay even longer. So as you can see, there is some residue moisture or water on the curry leaves after I rinsed it. So the next step is to make the curry leaves dry. So what I usually do is I place another clean cotton napkin on top and just press the curry leaves like this, so that the moisture is absorbed by the cotton cloth. And I keep it like this for about 30 minutes or so. I just leave it on the counter, and after 30 minutes the leaves are completely dry. And next I'm placing the dried curry leaf sprigs onto another clean cotton napkin, and then I'm just rolling the curry leaves like this, and then I'm placing it in a reusable bag. Squish out all the air in the bag. If you have a Ziploc bag, then it will be more easier. Unfortunately, at this moment I don't have a Ziploc bag, so I'm just securing it with a rubber band, and I'm placing it into another reusable bag, and again covering and squishing out the air and secure it with another rubber band. So this stays good in the refrigerator for up to a month, sometimes even longer than a month. So this is how I store fresh curry leaves in the refrigerator. I'll just show you some curry leaves which I already had in the refrigerator. I stored this in the refrigerator more than a month before, and I've been using from this since then. And only this much curry leaves are left now. It's I think more than 40 days old, and only thing is that the leaves just came out from the stem, and you can see that even now the leaves are looking fresh. So this is how I use the fresh curry leaves in my recipes and my way of storing curry leaves. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.